So once you've built your mini course, it's time to get it ready for launch. This is an exciting process and you're almost there, but you want to make sure that you get a few things right and a few things checked off the list at this point in the process. This is not the time to rush things to launch because you want to make sure that everything is ready to go. So we're going to go over a couple of important things to do and to have ready before you launch in this video and in the videos to come. Let's go ahead and get started. This is day 30 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. We're talking about how to start, build, and grow your business on the best platform there is for online business, which is Kajabi. And if you want to try out Kajabi, now is a great time to do it. You're going to get a 30-day free trial when you use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You'll also get a 45-minute Zoom call with me one-on-one to talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best start on this platform. In addition to that, I'm gonna give you my $25,000 course launch email template. These are the exact emails and the exact email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I want to give you all of that as a way to say thank you for using my link because it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it at no additional cost to you. So if you appreciate what we do on this channel, I would love it so much if you used my link. All right, so when it comes to launch, there's a few things that you want to make sure are in place. Obviously, there's things like the offer, the sales page, the checkout page, and we're going to get into all that in the coming days. But today I want to talk about 2 things that have to be in place to make sure that when someone enrolls in your course, they have an amazing initial experience. This is very important to making sure that they stick, that they don't request a refund, and that they have the best possible chance of having success with your course. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm inside of one of my courses. This is my mini course called Preaching Jumpstart. And here I want to go to customize the course. And I'm going to hit preview so you can see the end from the beginning. So essentially what I am getting at is that when someone lands on the course, you have to do a welcome video. That's number 1. You don't have to. I'm telling you, you should. People, when they first get on your course, they've just bought it. They've spent, in this case, the $97 to get on this course. They want to know that they made the right decision. They want to easily be able to navigate around the course. They need to know where things are, and they want to see that they made a good decision, like I said. So I put myself right here, and there's this video right away, and I know you can't hear it, but I am right away saying, you made the right decision. You're in the right place. I'm so excited that you're here. And what this does is it allows people to kind of take a breath and relax and say, okay, good. I am in the right place. This is the right decision. And he's going to tell me where everything is. And so if you watch this, I actually go through, okay, here's how to navigate through the course. Here's where everything is. Here's how to leave a comment. Here's how to watch a video. And I'm just encouraging people to get started in the best possible way. Everything I talk about in this video is also right here in this section. So if they want to watch the video, they can. If they want to just read this right here, they can. And then of course, right here, we've got the course, the welcome, the main course, which are the 7 lessons, the next steps, and the bonuses. So all of that is there, but this part is really important. The other thing I'll mention is that you want to have your instructor bio. You don't want to just leave this blank, so make sure that you actually put in who you are. Most people are going to know it, but that's a really good thing to have there in that corner. So that is the first thing that you want to do. Now, how do you do this? On Kajabi, when you're making your course, you have what's called a welcome body, and that's all of this stuff right here. Under welcome body, there is the video, which is this right here. I just inserted the video. I have the welcome video, and I have text. And the text is literally just what you see here. It's super simple. So that's not a hard thing to do. Again, all of this fits within the welcome body of the course. Then down here, I've got the product syllabus, and then I also have the sidebar and the footer. But just make sure that you take a minute or so, record a welcome video, and have some welcome text when someone jumps on. Now, the next thing you need is a welcome sequence. When somebody joins your course, you want to put them through an automated sequence of emails that welcomes them to the course and initiates them into it. Without this, people might buy your course, forget how to log in, not know how to navigate it, and it can discourage them and frustrate them. So just by having an automated set of emails go out, it can ensure that people have a good experience. So what I do is immediately they get an email saying, welcome to the program, important, please read. And this is just an email where I basically explain everything that's already in that welcome video, how to log in. The thing to keep in mind is you cannot over communicate. People need to see it in an email. They need to see it on the welcome video. You need to make it easy on them to navigate your course and get started in it. That's your job to make it easy. It's their job to accept your offer and go through the course. So make sure you're making it easy on them. And then so that email goes out immediately. Then the next day they get an email how to get the most out of Preaching Jumpstart. Get your questions answered here. I talk about the comments section under each video. And then day 4, I just say, give this time and don't give up. That email is just to encourage them to continue going. Now, there are 3 subscribe triggers for this. If they buy Preaching Jumpstart Basic, they're subscribed. If they buy Preaching Jumpstart with eval included, they're subscribed. And if they buy the Preaching Jumpstart with eval included, that's probably another offer that has maybe a slightly different price. I should have called it something different. And then unsubscribe triggers are 0 because they're not going to be unsubscribed because it's just 4 emails over the course of 4 days. And to make that email, you just go to email campaigns and hit sequences. So it's super simple to do those 2 things. Make sure you've got a welcome video and some text there that walks them through what to expect right when they jump on the course. And make sure you've got at least a few emails that go out over the first few days to ensure that they're doing well in the course, they have their questions answered, and they're off to the best possible start. All right, so at this point, go ahead and try out Kajabi using my link below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of the videos in this series. And let me know in the comments any questions you have, and I'll be sure to answer them in future videos in this series. And if you have more questions about Kajabi, I have a whole playlist right here. Just click on this and I'll see you in that playlist and we'll talk more, or just wait for the next video in the series to pop up. I'll see you tomorrow.